This incredible transformation is for Christina Wilson. She entered the Fox's Hell's Kitchen back in 2010 and she won it. And the $250,000 she won in prize money then went on to buy the house she was renting. It was the first time ever across this competition I wanted to employ the winner. And I never get that chance to tell her personally how much she means to me. This home is something that she's never had chance to reinvest in. So I turned to Houzz to redesign Christina Wilson's living room, dining room and kitchen. That looks stupid.
It couldn't be Gordon Ramsay without getting cursed at. Thank you.
What do you think about this?
Can we add that to the cart?
Absolutely. All right, John, take it easy.
Wow, look at this place.
We gotta finish this. Christina's to be here any minute.
This is going to transform Christina's life tremendously. I can't wait to see the reaction on her face. Open your eyes.
What?
I'm Gordon Ramsay, and this is my house.